This is my week one continuation. I have already created my week one directory on my computer, and as well as my week one assignment, first commit was my README. And now I'm going to push my Eclipse directory into my remote repository for week one. I am now going to make the changes to my remote repository week one. I make changes to my README file. Now it is in the staging area and ready to be committed. Now I'll go over to the GitHub to see if that README file has been added. I'll refresh, and here it is, third commit. That completes my week one coding assignment.